Welcome everyone to another glimpse of brilliant sanity. I am here with Sinister Thorne, who will be featured in the upcoming short films One Night Alone and Where Dolls Go to Die. Sinister, how are you today?
I'm very sinful today. Fuck you for asking. It's just another day of ripping the souls from the helpless dolls. They're so tasty. You know my favorite flavor is innocence.
That's interesting and kind of creepy. So, Sinister, you are the creation from DAA Studios in Live Oak, Florida, and I hear you even survived Hurricane Irma before making your way north.
Yeah, DAA Studio built me this casket of a body to house all the evils of hell. I had nowhere else to go. Heaven didn't want me. Hell thought I would take over. So here I am, in friggin' Iowa. The only place that's worse than hell. Ow.
Sinister Thorne, you recently shot 2 short films at the legendary Edinburgh Manor in Scotch Grove, Iowa. Can you tell us a little bit about them?
The first is an autobiography in poetic form, a little glimpse into my soul-sucking reality. The second film was just for kicks, for the asshole director. He's a total asshole casserole.
Excuse me, Mr. Thorne, I was the director of those films, you know.
Yeah, what a big flop. They're gonna fail as much as your dad's condoms. Hey, how do you make a circus juggler laugh? You tickle his balls.
That's really not all that funny.
You wouldn't know funny if it crawled up inside you and started wiggling its fingers. Try to sit on someone's hand for an hour. Then you'll know funny.
Sinister, let's try and be civil here. There's no need for all the sick insults, okay?
I'm not listening, but keep talking. I enjoy the way your voice makes my ears bleed.
Recently, killer clowns and possessed dolls have regained popularity in the media. You are sort of best of both worlds. How do you feel about other competition out there, like, say, Chucky, for instance?
Chucky and his fake-ass cult can only dream of being as sinister as me. The only friend till the end Chucky will ever be is the friend in your end.
Okay, I'll make sure I'm always seated in Chucky's presence. What about Annabelle from the Conjuring series? She's really taken off with her hit movie this summer. Any romance in the air with her?
Annabelle Schmannabelle. That bitch needs to take her medication. She forgets what she learned in Possession 101. Power of Christ compels who? Please, bitch, hang up and try again.
Finally, Pennywise has been a box office sensation with his new film, It. Although he's not a doll, he is still one heck of an evil clown. How do you feel about Pennywise?
You'll float too. Yeah. Maybe air biscuits. That Pennywise is so full of hot air. Oh, but he needs fear to survive. What pansy. I collect souls for the fun of it, not because I need it to exist. What the hell?
You mentioned earlier that you feed on the souls of innocent dolls. Now, why is that a thing?
The dolls are easy prey. They have small souls that are easy to harvest. But be aware that they are only a starting point. I'm working my way up to bigger things. I stalk the dark shadows in the corners of your room. I wait patiently for the moment your mind begins to feel despair. And when you begin to doubt your faith in all things, that is the moment you'll feel my cold hands dig into your flesh, taking hold of your very soul.
Wow, that seems very sinister indeed.
You only know the half of it.